And I think for Bitcoin to like, if you want Bitcoin to go 5x from here, there needs to be that understanding. Like there's still immense returns to be had if it can gain this sort of risk dynamic respect, where it can act as a risk off asset. Because if it becomes a competitor with gold, you could revalue Bitcoin 5 times higher quickly, but the idea that Bitcoin's going to have these perpetual gains is the problem, right? If Bitcoin is slowly falling off the risk curve and it's becoming more conservative in terms of long term, storing money, store of wealth, really just call it hard digital money, then the correlation towards risk should inherently fall as more people enter the space with that belief. But if Bitcoin still has the belief that look, it's digital currency, it's magic bean money, we're just ripping it and we're gonna buy until the last person stops buying. At that, basically just a leverage way to play risk on. If that stays the route, then I think you're fine to stay along Bitcoin. And this is why we shifted our leverage, because if Bitcoin starts producing modest risk on regime returns, there will be some time, there will be a period that lapses before you can really acknowledge Bitcoin as a pure risk off and hedging asset.